Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we got a short video for you. So I got this month's Birchbox and I really liked this one, so I thought I would just share my whole experience with it and just kind of review the whole thing for you and share what kind of products I got this month. So I'll start off by talking about their packaging, which is super adorable. I really appreciate cute boxes sent to me. So in the back it says yes, and in the front they always write in like a little message next to your name. Like this month I got happy birthday Tanya, and last month it was like to the beautiful Tanya or something like that. It's really cute, just a small little touch on the box, which I appreciate. Okay, and then within that box there's another cute little box that looks like this, and every month they send a different design out, so the boxes look different every single month. This month is like this EXO theme for Valentine's Day because it's February, which is also adorable. And then that box are all your products. So each month they send you 5 samples. Here are mine for this month. Sometimes they will send you 6 or 7 depending on the month. Like they might have something special going on if they're promoting a certain product, so you might get something extra. And they always include a little card with cute message in the front and description of all your products in the back, like full prices for a full-size item, and like they talk about the product a little bit and how to use it. So that's really nice. So you get like a little guide of what you're getting. So let's jump into it. First one I have is a Vein Hydrating Cream, which is this cute little thing, and which is nice because the full size price is $38, and I don't think I would ever actually buy that to try it out, so this is a nice touch. You get a little sample. So it says it boosts hydration and it's safe for sensitive complexion, which I definitely have. My skin is very sensitive, and I actually already tried this out prior to this video because I wanted to see what it did, so I can share that with you. Honestly, it didn't do anything crazy to my skin. Like I didn't notice a huge difference. It did do its job. It hydrated my skin and it left it looking glowy and pretty. So I don't know, maybe just not a good pick for me, but I wasn't too crazy about it. But I definitely appreciate Birchbox for sending that to me so I could try it out, so now I know what it's like. So we're gonna move on to the next one. The next one on the list I have is the Wonder Eye Cream, which is, I was actually very excited about it because I have a bit of dark circles and I get little puffiness every morning. Don't know why. It just happens. So I was excited for this one. It says it brightens your eyes and banishes under eye circles. So thumbs up, that's what I need. And I did try that before. I'm actually wearing that right now. I put on a little bit before I put on my makeup today, and I kind of like it. I think I still have a bit of dark circles because I have little veins going, so I think you need like some strong concealer for that. But it did soothe my puffiness, which I appreciate because I need that every single day. And here it says full size price for it is $29. That's a bit pricey, but I guess if you use that every single day and if you really need the cream, might be worth it. But I'll definitely keep using this sample and see what it does for me and see how much I really like it. So we're moving on to the next one, and I have a leave-in conditioner by Way Hair Care. I actually looked at this product right away and I was like, how do you pronounce that? And I had to Google it just to see the right pronunciation of this, because this is just a combustion of vowels that you can't pronounce one after another, and that's the proper way to pronounce it. Way Hair Care. So here it says, this hair mist does it all. It soothes, softens, protects, and detangles your hair, which is all you need after the shower, especially when you have color treated hair like I do. I use a leave-in conditioner every single time after I wash my hair, which does miracles to my hair. I used this one as well before doing this video, and I do like it. I don't think it's any different than the one I use, but I do appreciate them for sending that to me, and I will keep using it just so I can see what it does. Maybe because I used it once, maybe it didn't do much to me, but I'll keep using it and I'll keep you updated. And last 2 products I was most excited about, which are an eyeliner and mascara. I use these every single day, so it's very important to me to have a good eyeliner and a good mascara. So I'm excited to try these out, and I'll actually put them on right now so you guys can see what they look like. So I'll start with an eyeliner, which is by Beauty Crop, which is a Wing Woman liquid eyeliner that retails for $17.50, which is, I guess, normal price for an eyeliner. Alright, so I'm gonna put that on. I'll attempt to. It doesn't always work out with me, but let's try. It is a really fine tip, which I like, and it's in color black, so let's see what we can do with it. Alright. I always start like in the inner corner of my eye and go out. I don't know if there's like a proper way to apply eyeliner, but that's just the way I do it and it works for me. So let's see. Okay, I think we're done here. I think it looks good, but I'm not as happy as I thought I'd be with the pigment because it's not as black as I expected it to be. Like, as you can tell, I was trying to get more color out because it kept on drying up on the brush, so it would just like not go anywhere. I think that's my only problem with it. Like, I'm not happy with the brush because it dries up too quick, so it doesn't apply as much of color. But other than that, it's a regular eyeliner and I like it. I think I'll keep using it because I'm running low on mine. And we'll see where it goes. Alright, so we're moving on to the last product that we have, which is a mascara by MAC. Something I've never tried before, which comes in a little tube that kind of looks like eye primer, which is super cool. It's a MAC Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara, which retails for $23. It is a normal price for a mascara, I'd say, so I'm not upset about that. Ooh. Ooh. That looks cool. Alright, let's see what it looks like on. Okay, well, mascara is on, and I gotta say, I think I really like it. I like the brush because it actually brushes out my eyelashes without clumping them. It doesn't apply as much color, I would say, maybe because of the brush, because mine is really clumpy, so maybe that's why it feels like there's a lot more on. But I think I applied 2 or 3 layers, which made them long, and it didn't clump them up, which I appreciate. Something I would wear probably every day, just to work without like any eyeliner on, which is nice. So that's a thumbs up from me. Alright, and that is it for this month's Birchbox samples. I like these. I like that I get to try samples before actually buying the full-size product. That's why I like the whole subscription service. So if you guys like it, you're all welcome to sign up for it. It's only $10 a month, and they send you 5 samples like I said before. I think right now they have a special going on where if you sign up right now or this month, I believe, they send you a free extra sample of a Benefit mascara, which is cool to try out. You get 6 samples for $10, which is a great deal. I like it a lot. I used to use Ipsy, which I paused to try this one, and I think I'm gonna stick to Birchbox from now on because it's different brands and it's more exciting for me right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My goal is to upload weekly from now on, so we'll have a little bit of everything, a little makeup, a little fashion, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll link that down below so you can find me easy. It's Casually Charming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! And share what products what did I say? And I didn't notice. I didn't notice. Come on. A primer or something, but it's actually a mascara. Mascara. Where was it? Don't look into my soul like that.